Hello, Jackie Elton from Social Media Links. In my last video I was talking about how you edit your profile and why it's good for your business to complete your profile. In today's video I want to show you how to tweet and give you some ideas of what to tweet about. There are several different ways to do a tweet and I'll show you those ways. Here we are on my home again for Social Media Link. So the first way we can tweet is by clicking this button here. So here we have 140. A tweet is 140 characters long, a maximum of 140 characters long. However, the ideal tweet or an average length for a tweet is between 100 and 120 characters long. So you'll see as I start to type in this box that the 140 will change. So here you can see that it's actually going down. So you know when you get to either 100, when you get to 40 or 20 that you're at about the right length. So I'm just going to pause the video while I finish the tweet. So here we have the tweet that I've just written, and you can see here we've got 40 characters remaining, so that would be a good length tweet. If I'd actually already done the video, then I might want to include a link to that video, in which case I could maybe fit it in there. Another tip for when you're doing tweets is actually not to put a link at the end of a tweet, but to put it somewhere in the middle that makes sense. So then when you're ready to tweet that tweet, you just click there. And I will tweet it so that you can see where it goes. So there we go, it's here. And then if we go to the tweets, my tweets, it should also be the first one that shows up. There we go, and we have that there. So we've shared it. So another way to tweet is if you want to reply to somebody else. Here I am on my notifications tab, and I'm going to reply to Wendy Tomlinson that has been sharing some of my videos with people. So if we click the reply, then this box appears and it's already got the two people that I'm chatting with, their usernames here, so you don't have to worry about putting those in. So if I just type something again, so here I've completed my tweet, and yes, it's a bit longer than the other one, but that's fine. Also, by putting words before the first username, it means it will be seen by more people. So we'll tweet that. When you're thinking about tweets and what to tweet, always try and think about what value it gives to people, or whether it's increasing your engagement, whether you're helping somebody and things like that, because then people are more likely to follow you. So the other way to do a tweet is to go to somebody's profile, and we'll use Wendy again here. We'll go to their profile, and here you can see there is another button or tab where you can do tweet to, and there you go, again the person's username comes up, so you don't have to worry about remembering precisely what it is. When you're doing a tweet, always ensure that you do a space between the username and your next word. So here, where I haven't left a space, this won't actually be give Wendy a notification because I've not got the right username. So always make sure you have a space so that the username is in one colour and the message is in a different colour, because this can make a difference. Same with if you do miss out the space here, you can see that again the Sunshine Coach isn't in a different colour. So before you tweet them, always make sure that any usernames are a different colour to the rest of the text. So I'm back on my profile now, and one of the questions I get asked a lot by business people is what should they tweet about? So there is lots of things you can tweet about. So here's a selection of some of my recent tweets. So this is the tweet that I've just done that is in thanking somebody, and also sort of starting a conversation with this person. So this shows that I am actually on Twitter, that it's not fully automated, and that people, if they want to interact with me, will get a reply. This is a tweet of just saying what I'm doing. It would have been better if I'd actually got the video completed and added a link there. It would be more useful. Here again, I'm sharing a link with another with my Twitter profiles videos, sharing this with somebody else that I thought might find it useful. Thanking someone again, mentioning a petition that I'm trying to promote for somebody. And then here I'm doing some promotion about Lincolnshire, as I went to a tourism event recently. So these are some tweets that I think might be useful. And then obviously promoting what you're doing and mixing it up with other retweets. This is a retweet. So it doesn't always have to be tweets, but just sharing content that you think your followers will find useful. So I hope you found this video useful, and my next video is going to be about how to build a following. So if you like this, then please feel free to share it or ask me any questions that you have. Follow me again on Twitter, on social media link, or on my Facebook page, social media links. Thanks very much.